Hi, you guys. This is Kathy reading chapter 21, Fun in the Journey, from Me, Myself, and Us, Our Energies, Your Power. And I sure hope you're having a fun life and you've been practicing and playing what we've been learning. They say that the fun is in the journey to that goal that you want, but most, including me, before I knew how it all worked, just want to get there and enjoy our desires. Waiting and waiting in line to go here or there. Don't call it a waiting period between what you've asked for and when it gets here, or your manifestation, because that's kind of a downer. Think of it as a preparation time, your organizing and designing phase. Ooh, this is what I want right now. Let me prepare for that wish that is on its way to me. The secret to having it come to you faster is while you're waiting for your things to happen in that little space of time is how happy you are every single day trying to be positive. Make that journey there fun and meet a lot of people on the way because that will lead you in another direction or add another soulmate for you. Friends are so fun to have, and you could possibly call them family. Absolutely. Say to yourself, I can wait. I'm going to get ready for this and start to get ready. Start to do the things. Start to clean your house out if you're going to have a lot of this money so you can buy new things. Or if you want to find your person and you could be living together. If you're looking for the love of your life, you want to make sure that you stay in that higher frequency of happiness because that's who you will draw in. Remember the law of attraction. If you're grumpy and complaining all the time, that's what you're going to pull in. If you're needing money all the time, that's who you are going to pull in, right? Get excited about it. And then when you're excited about it, imagine it. Close your eyes and just imagine it because you're in a good space. It's the best time to do it. Love the body you want. Do some things for yourself every single day. Get ahead of it. Dream about what you want. Believe it. Play the part and adjust to your new segment a little bit every day. Willpower, the ability to control oneself to determine one's actions. Your willpower is limited, so you have to keep renewing your energy source through meditation, through finding positives and appreciation, and through doing things that you love. The more you use your mind, the less willpower you are going to have. Having the willpower to wait for that thing that you're asking for, yes, delayed gratification. You know that the longer that you wait or the longer it seems to take, the better you improve yourself and the better that what you ask for is going to be. So have fun along that way because when you get to that desire, when you get to that manifestation, guess what? There's going to be another one. Who or what do I want to do now? Be excited for the next chapter. That's the way that life should be. You have to enjoy that anticipatory time, that little wait time, because if you do have fun in the process of doing other things, you would not believe, and you should believe the good things that will happen for you, all because of you. You want the things that you ask for or the things that you're trying to manifest along the journey to just be the next natural step on your path, getting there and then starting again, right? Now what? And now what? It never ends. Just make your manifestations for the next logical step to what you've asked for. And the universe and God promises every single time you are getting what you're asking for. You have changed your creativity and now, wow. Enjoy that time. And then occasionally you don't want that wait time to ever end, right? Do what matters most first each day when your willpower is the strongest. And the one thing that matters, or should matter because it's really important, is to be with you, yourself, and you. It makes the rest of the day easier, and you don't have to use willpower. You'll be able to count on the universe and really, really know it. And 15 minutes in an hour is actually not that long. You'll start looking forward to it. Make that habit become a routine through repetition and practice. It takes an average of about 66 days to acquire a new habit, not a month. Medicine and modern science does not back up the 21-day habit. It needs to be an average. The range can go from 18 days to almost a year before behaviors are a habit because everybody's different and every habit is different. All in good time. Start your journey right here, right now, living happily most of the time when each segment of your life. Don't say it is what it is, because it is what it was. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you guys have a fun, happy week. Make it that way. It is all up to you. I love you very much. Bye.